out what ingredients we'll need for our pumpkin pie in a cup, we have a very special song to sing. So if you know our opening circle song, clap your hands and sing along. Oh, everyone, please clap your hands and sing along with me. How do you do, ye baking friends? How do you do? How do you do, ye baking friends? How do you do? Oh, you come to gym for fun, and we'll get you on the run. How do you do, ye baking friends? How do you do?
So today, friends, we are going to be following a recipe, and we are going to be learning all about what a recipe is today. And so for our first ingredient, we are going to need pumpkin pie mix.
We'll also be needing some graham crackers.
And we're going to be needing some ground cinnamon.
And some whipped cream.
And some Jell-O.
And last but not least, some cups. So this is what our recipe is going to look like today. We went ahead and left a link in the description box, so if you'd like to follow along, you can print it out and set it up like ours.
Wait, Miss Carly, how do I know how to make a pumpkin pie in a cup anyway?
Well, Miss Grace, that is what our recipe is for. Our recipe will show us all the ingredients we need and in what order to put our ingredients in the cup.
Oh, thanks, Miss Carly. That makes a lot of sense.
All right, friends, so our first step seen right here says to put the crackers in the cup. So can you find the picture of our graham crackers? Awesome, yep, it's right here. So we'll take this and we'll move it right under step 1, so we know that's our first step.
So I have my 2 graham crackers in my cup, and Miss Grace has her 2 graham crackers in her cup, and then this part is the super, super fun part. We're going to take both of our graham crackers, and we're going to put them inside a Ziploc bag. Just like that. And then we're going to close our bag up. And then we're going to smush the graham crackers inside to make tiny little crumbs. Alright friends, so now that we got all of our graham crackers all squished up, they should look something like this. And now we can open our bags and carefully pour them into our cup.
Alright friends, now that we have our graham crackers all smushed up, our second step is going to be adding our pudding cup. So let's take a look and see if we can find our pudding cup for our second step. Alright, good job! Here's our pudding cup, and we're going to put it right under the 2 to show this is our second step.
Alright, so now that we have our pudding open, we're going to use a spoon to help us scoop it right on top of our graham crackers. Alright friends, and this is what our pie cup should look like so far. So we have the crushed graham crackers on the bottom, and then we have the pudding on top.
So now looking at our third step, it's saying to add our pumpkin. So do you think that you can find a picture of our pumpkin pie mix? Wow, great job. Yep, it's right here with the one with the little pumpkin on it. So we'll move this right under the 3 to show that is our third step.
Alright friends, so in order for us to pour our pumpkin mix into our cups, we have to open our pumpkin mix. But make sure you have a grown-up to help you. Miss Emily helped us.
So our recipe calls for 3 tablespoons of our pumpkin pie mix. So I'll go ahead and take my measuring spoon and I'll do 3 scoops of this and I'll put it right on top of my pudding. Just like that.
Alright friends, our next step is to add whipped cream, which is my favorite. So let's look and see if we can find the whipped cream. Alright, perfect, it's right here. And we're going to add it right under our 4 because this is our 4th step.
So we have our whipped cream here, we're going to go ahead and shake it up. And we're going to put it right on top of our pumpkin. You can do as much or as little as you want. So this is what yours should look like. All right, so our very last step, our 5th step, is going to be sprinkle with cinnamon. So can you find a picture of our cinnamon? Wow, awesome, it's that last one right here, so we'll put that right under the 5.
And now friends, I'm going to be taking my cinnamon and I'm going to sprinkle some on top. But make sure to be very careful.
All right, friends, doesn't this just look so yummy?
Mm-hmm.
All right, the last thing that we have to do is give it a taste. How does it taste, Miss Carly?
Good.
This sounds like something Miss Emily would like.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what she thinks.
Mmm.
right, friends, that's it for today. Thank you all so much for tuning in. We had so much fun with you, and we can't wait to see you in class.